Hi, my name's Tony, and I'm with Beast Mode Tactical. Today we're going to be talking about the Sig P320 and the possibility of it going off in your holster or your pocket accidentally. This is a brand new gun, still got the tag on it. We'll remove it. I do carry several different types of SIGs. I have the X Macro, which I absolutely love, and then I have the smaller version, the 365. If I want to do like a concealed carry or something, and both of them shoot phenomenal. Never once had it go off. But let's get with the 320. So I did put some practice rounds in it. God forbid it actually does go off. This version does have the external safety. So we can lock it back, make sure it's cleared. It's cleared. Safety is off. Now we're locked and loaded and ready to go. So let's see if it will go off, because normally people are saying it's in their pocket. Don't go off there, or a holster. But let's do the old drop test. Let's see. Yep, when I pull the trigger, it goes off. Try it again. Go a little higher this time. Let's see. Nope. Still got to pull the trigger. Go even higher. Yeah, pretty neat. Nope. Still got to pull the trigger. So not really sure how else to hit this thing. Still, nope. Got to hit the trigger. So not real sure how you just have this sitting in your holster and it goes off, when I can do all that and it does not go off unless I pull the trigger. Maybe I just got lucky and got a gun that just doesn't do it. But to me, SIG is still a phenomenal product. I would safely carry them and never hesitate to have one in a holster. But let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, like I said, I did everything I think I could do, but maybe there's a certain way you got to hit it to make it go off. If you know something I don't know, please comment. Let me know. I would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.